Brooklyn Paramount Theatre, a storied past and vibrant present. The Brooklyn Paramount Theatre, located at 385 Flatbush Avenue Extension in downtown Brooklyn, New York, has a rich history and has recently been revitalized as a premier entertainment venue. Historical overview, opening and early years, 1928 to 1962. Designed by the renowned architectural firm Rapp and Rapp, the Brooklyn Paramount Theatre opened its doors on November 4th, 1928. It was celebrated as America's first movie theater built for sound, specifically designed to showcase talkies. Beyond films, the theater hosted numerous jazz, blues, and early rock and roll concerts featuring legendary artists such as Duke Ellington, Ella Fitzgerald, and Chuck Berry. Transition to LIU Athletic Facility, 1962 to 2017. In 1962, the theater was repurposed into a basketball court for Long Island University, LIU's athletic teams. Despite the transformation, many of the original architectural elements, including the ornate ceiling and balconies, were preserved, serving as a unique backdrop for sporting events. Restoration and reopening. Renovation efforts, 2017 to 2024. A significant renovation project commenced in 2017, aiming to restore the theater to its former glory as a performing arts venue. The restoration meticulously preserved the theater's historic features while incorporating modern amenities to enhance the audience experience. Grand reopening, 2024. In 2024, the Brooklyn Paramount Theatre reopened its doors, re-establishing itself as a central hub for live entertainment in Brooklyn. The venue now boasts a seating capacity of approximately 2,700 and is equipped with state-of-the-art sound and lighting systems. Current offerings and events. Today, the Brooklyn Paramount Theatre hosts a diverse array of events, including concerts, comedy shows, and cultural performances. Upcoming events feature artists such as Charlie XCX, the Teskey Brothers, and the Dillinger Escape Plan. For a comprehensive list of scheduled events and ticket purchases, please visit the official website. Visiting the theater location, 385 Flatbush Avenue Extension, Brooklyn, New York 11201 Transportation. The theater is easily accessible via public transportation, including the B, Q, and R trains at the DeKalb Avenue Station, as well as the 2, 3, 4, and 5 trains, 5 trains at the Nevin Street Station. Box office hours. The box office operates on event days only, opening at 11 a.m. and closing at 6 p.m. For specific event details and box office inquiries, please refer to the official website. The Brooklyn Paramount Theatre's revival not only honors its illustrious past, but also contributes to Brooklyn's vibrant cultural landscape, offering a dynamic venue for both performers and audiences.